Okay, so you're going to go to your classroom and you are going to create an assignment. Hang on. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put your title in. You know how to do that, right? So character.
To do what?
Miss Ria,
Okay.
can you do me a favor and mute your computer?
Okay.
Okay.
I'll do that.
Okay, because I hear.
You mute that.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So then you're going to put the title in, and then you're going to put those instructions, the ones that I just sent you from WhatsApp. So see these here? You're going to type those in. Okay. And you probably could cut and paste them if you wanted. Okay. So you're going to take these.
Okay.
And you're going to, whoops, sorry. You're going to take these and you're going to type them in. You're going to type them into, sorry, it went away. You're going to type them in here in the instructions, okay? So, so the lesson is character traits, right? And then you're going to add all the, so here are the instructions, just what I sent you in WhatsApp, all right? Then you're going to go to the online, oh, here it is, I'm sorry. Okay, so then you're going to go to the online classroom for tomorrow, and these are the things that you want in there, okay? Now, you could also just do this. Copy the whole thing like this, Command C, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
And then just type it in there like that, right? And then take this, this is the first link, Command copy, add link, click on add link, and there it is. Okay, and then get rid of this because you don't want that there. And then you're going to add the next link, which is this one. So you highlight it, Command copy, add link, Command V.
Sorry, where did it put the sound off?
the sound, it's okay, don't worry about it. Okay, so now you can see there are those links, okay? Now I'm going to add, from my Google Drive, I'm going to add the templates. So I want to have this one. And I also want to have this one, the blank one. Okay. So now I have everything that I need for tomorrow. The only thing is you need to change this. Don't forget. Make a copy for each student because you don't want everybody working on the same one, even though they're not going to fill it in. I just always default to make a copy for each child.
Where do we get the YouTubes from? Because I looked for it today and I couldn't find it anywhere.
Could you not find it right here?
I found the ones that you had on the lesson, the daily schedule, but nowhere else.
Yeah, but that's the only place you're going to find them unless you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Because I can't put them, I can't put them in the drive. It would take up too much space for one thing, but for another thing, it would be impossible. It would be just such a mess to try and find. So remember, if you just go to my YouTube channel, because you already subscribed to my YouTube channel.
I think I did, yes.
So I always have a hard time in Firefox finding my YouTube channel.
Okay.
So all my videos are here. See, there's my
Okay.
video there that I created.
Okay.
So, whoops, sorry, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to go to your channel and then uploads. I don't know why they don't all show up for some reason. In Firefox, in Google Chrome, you'll see all my videos, but these are all the videos that I've ever done. And they will all be in here.
Okay.
Okay. And then I just don't understand where all mine are. I never can find them here in Firefox.
Miss Karen,
Yes.
can you go back to the plan? I just want to take a picture, then you go to where you want, because I don't have your video.
You do, Miss Von Guy. They're all.
I have in my. I have everything. I know it's online. I can take that, but I just want to have a picture of what I'm going to send tomorrow. I have everything.
Oh, okay. So tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right, hang on. Let me go there though.
I have seen what we are going to send.
Okay, hang on. Okay. Sorry, it's very, very slow. Okay, so oh, hang on. Wrong account. Let me sign back in. So Miss Von Guy, if you subscribe to my YouTube account, you will also have access to all my videos that I've created. Sorry, it's just very, very, very slow.
Yeah, you can say that again.
Okay. And then I'm going to upload this video here to this so that you can find it. Okay, see here all my videos, every single one of them. And I have 1 subscriber. So let me just put this copy. All right, now I'm going to add this to, there's my, okay. So tomorrow, so this was today's lesson. Tomorrow you're going to add this, okay? I still have to record chapter 4, reading of chapter 4.
So this was today's lesson. Tomorrow you're going to chapter 4, reading of chapter 4.
And then if you go, sorry, let me go back here. All right, so you see how this says character traits lesson is here? This is the actual lesson. That's right here. And then this here is just a video on YouTube about characterizations, just a review. So Ms. Von Guy, is this what you wanted me to make a copy of? I'm not sure what you wanted me to make a copy of, or did you want me, you mean this page?
I just wanted to see. Then I sent this to the children. This
Right,
what you are showing me
but you
on,
can't,
on the assignment.
Yeah, but you can't send this to the students. You have to put it in Google Classroom. They won't be able to link it if you just send it to the students. That's why I'm saying you have to create this.
I want to create as an assignment like we used to do.
Yes, you have to do it this way though. And
so I'm going to create just the way you did, to put the 2 links and then the 2 worksheets.
Exactly.
That's what I'm going to do.
But
yeah.
But what you're
That's what I'm going to do tomorrow.
Right, but you need to.
Hello, Miss Tria.
And then what you're also going to do is
I'll have to create. Then I copy these links.
Just like I showed you.
I create and copy.
Right.
Yes, like showed me. Do this fine. I can.
Yeah. So what you're going to do is you're going to title it, and then you're going to go to WhatsApp here and see this that I sent to you. You're going to copy this information that I sent to you here. So
yes, that one.
Yeah. So
I can type in because I can see it on my phone and then I type again.
Exactly. You're going to copy this. You're going to copy this. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. I was trying. You're going to copy this information, and exactly what you see here, you're going to put into your classroom. So everything here is going to go here, and then you're going to add links. And for some reason it's not showing up right now. I don't know why.
But the links I put 2 links, the first one and the second one.
Well, if you look in my if you look over here, if you look here, you can see that I put the links. There are 3 here, but that's because that's what my kids did, because I already did a lesson with them. But if you go back to tomorrow, you see there are there's this video here.
Yes.
Do you see? It's this video from YouTube.
Yes.
Hi friends, today's lesson is all about describing character.
So I put that in there as well, just in case there are kids that are struggling with the idea. But I did not put, so I see there it is. There's this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then just make sure, so if you look at the WhatsApp one that I sent you, you can't see all of these. You can only see 3.
Yes.
Okay. So where do I get all these videos? From the online, right here. This is the lesson that I did, and this is just an extra reminder that's that video that I was just showing you right now. Whoops, not that one.
Okay.
This one. Oh, not that one either. Never mind, it's gone already. Okay, but the point is that you see, that's my lesson, and then here is the templates, and these templates are in your drive. If you go to your drive, you will find them. Actually, I'm in the wrong drive. Here, this is Miss Ria's drive. So if she goes back to, let me see, I think it's all in Stone Fox. Okay, so there's that character traits page. Oh, where is it? I know I sent it to you. Why are these things not showing up?
It's not there. It's not.
So this is not there and this is not there.
Yeah, it's not. Those 2 are not there.
Okay, hang on one second.
These ones we find online. The first 2, it's from online, but the 2 worksheets are not there.
I don't understand why, because I made copies for you guys.